Many Angelo, the coffee I know, no. It's not the coffee I mean, who know, and no pay with Sidu Accra. If you one night. Good morning.
And then the coffee I know,
What the coffee I know, and you know, I mean,
nothing has gone wrong.
Not a dentist.
Oh, Grimsby, you film first round.
Open running.
Obiako semi-final now. If you are
becoming a boss loser,
but what have I said? When I ask where me and I say, you don't sleep with me.
First off, I started from a coach. I feel I say a first conjunction.
I say
a first conjunction now. Emma game now say Nyaman Kuyam Famamo. Forgotten, sir. Arsenal, almost nobody see
Manchester Casa.
And garbage rambo.
That
is what garbage rambo.
I also did not hear Gabi say that.
Tiana ni pania so
me mante. Una say oye na me say me mante. And now you force me to hear.
Fatulo one is a Gabi kase.
Oh no so one.
Mu coach say. Akwanya mo first boom games. That's 3 days, 2 days na mo go games. Into affected players no. Into has a tiredness kakra bi ho. Into na ma Arsenal again and Nyama nkosa de. Na Chelsea for open no.
Mante sir.
One thing sir. Okay. Enti enye fixture
mami nye medume ani ye boss the chichine twan boss o ya ba be wuramzi ade
kami wonum bi a me body ama na nka
yo mo chu copywriter mi ka bi ma o
copyright o dey
the committee na no mo so na wo say adwuma na o da wo adwuma no so mi ka bi ma o but copyright
there is my line
we have a line okay play the song
anyuma obi a body ama Chelsea
okay
in fact first time I hear born any into Pacho TB Mamina and first started discussions.
But the Chassidie, what to players abogo? Chassidie, what to players abogo? Oh, what to players abogo? What to players abogo? The just at a place, our body. Bakubia play Bakuton, Bakubia the Bagana Skema. Who says, Chassidie, what to players abogo?
What to players are.
Who is our to me? Our to me, your mania bassa fool. Exodio you. Now, bassa for you. I will tell who Chelsea down for. I will and now, yesterday was the very first time me realized it's a Edin Carabao. No, it's the sponsor of the competition, the Carabao energy drink. And your friend the Carabao Cup. Essentially, the name is the EFL Cup. Which, as I want to say this, as in Wenger can say beyond, or say Okwako bought the second leg of any tire. Their ending power is when you are up by 1 goal lead. Uze AB I watch a 1-0. Okwako bought the second leg. In your head, you don't know whether you should go full throttle and attack, or you should sit and defend or lead. You know, if you defend your lead too much, now opponent let's say Kana, the game is blown wide open. If you go ahead and open up and you get a result, also you get it and then you take the opponent away. Which I think that was very clear in that match. You know? To be very honest with you, Obia Ope, the tactical side of the game, probably enjoy the game and especially in the first half. Because I could say 2 managers no elbow dummy and I say chess. We so we may yenchi Obia kwakwa yembu Obia first round na ending for one person to exert the football. In fact, Rich, for almost the full 45 minutes, tactically it was equal. And when him say, Maka said me several times, it looks as if Liam Rosenior favors more of the psychological aspect of the game than tactical. And no just say he's not good tactically. But as it stands now, he feels like that is the low-hanging fruit to taking advantage of at Chelsea than tactical. So usually in press conference, like he talks more about the psychology of the game, where the players did, the emotions of the game. But tactically apt. Rich, look at the XG difference. 0.95. 90 minutes for Arsenal. 0.68 for Chelsea. 90 minutes. Arsenal, 5 shots. Chelsea, 14 shots. Forget about the 14 shots now. Because now they bring boom. Arsenal 5 shots to 2 were on target. Chelsea 14 shots to 2 and they on target. Now look at possession. Chelsea 56, Arsenal 44. I want us to look at this game from the Arsenal point of view first, and then we'll come to the Chelsea point of view. Which Mikel Arteta was in that dilemma that Arsene Wenger was talking about. Says Okita one goal leader.
And I'm protecting your lead.
And I'll protect your lead. But do you know why Arsenal are too strong for a lot of the teams? Almost squad profile, you know, and the squad building, you know, is just so good that for those two sides of the coin, you know, they have the players to play that style. Say Okajuma, or the players of Kajum. It was a clear case of, okay, yes, I may be in a dilemma, but I have what it takes to close up. And I'll tell you why it was clear. The back four of Arsenal and now were all fullbacks, were all centre backs. Julian Timber, the stock in trade is a centre back job that he has been doing for a long time. Piero Nkapi, centre back. He played William Saliba, centre back. Gabriel Magalhaes, centre back. Solid back four. Then he played with two players who are more ball-sided in terms of the 6 and 8 in Declan Rice and Martin Ibanez Zubimendi. Had a better as a Martinelli, a better friend Noni Madueke and Victor Gyökeres in the team. For me, that was brilliant. Now, this is where you have to get it. Say, Utia what Chelsea were looking for in the game and how Chelsea wanted to go into the game and get the results for Meta. You understand? Which would ask the ball. Arsenal for Chelsea kita ball now. They almost always go and sit in a compact 4-4-2 mid block, and it was so compact. So compact. I said, very narrow. They said Chelsea will play through them. And they had the players to be able to deal with that. On the other side, for Rosenior, I think the issue of players unavailability, for me, it's not necessarily about the games now, but the players are not made unavailable. Say ni two starting wingers and na omunyanya available from the start. Estevao Willian, Mekacho said there was no way he was going to start the game because he had gone to Brazil, and apparently he got to England a couple of hours before the game.
No pride,
but okay. I think they almost say a compassionate leave.
Okay.
I loosely reported say bit me I heard I was going to be the grandmother, not confirmed, but then the grandmother and how to do na say be and free. Then he came back for Pedro Neto. And Opana will prepare for the game, no? And a fitness test. And I want to say this. Rich, one Chelsea rotation. It is not the sporting directors that say that, oh, and a player will buy the chairman rainbow. Sporting directors know any team structure. I'm a doctor's not going to. The authority and then the willpower say. So, fitness test the morning before the game. Now he's any fit to go and play. They can tell the coach that now medically this player cannot play. Exactly, that's exactly what I'm saying. Exactly, that's the point I'm trying to make. Say I say Chelsea Sporting Directors they catch away so watching a player in Mobi and I say no. It is the medical department that has autonomy. I say that is what they do in explaining Chelsea's rotations. Don't be personal about it. And it was very clear according to Rosenior. I said both of them could not pass the medical test and Opano. Joao Pedro Neto, any Abrante friend Reece James, that they could not play the game. So it means that Chelsea did not have Pedro Neto. They didn't have Estevao Willian to start. And then the game was going to be a little bit close. Rosenior's game plan was that, okay, let's stay in the game as long as possible. Let's play the waiting game. And after the game, the journalist asked him a question, said, did he intentionally make the game more about the mind than the foot of player now? And also, there are different aspects of the game. Football, you're psychological, you're tactical, you're physical. There are a lot of the game. There's psychosocial. There's a lot of the part of the game that comes together to form a team and to go and win. So that is why he went into the game with Chaloba, Fofana, Jao Hato. Then played more or less like a 3-back, 2 wing backs in Malo Gusto Kucrea, Caicedo, Enzo, Andre Santos, then Dilap, and Abrante Feni Joao Pedro. But the full game plan was hinged on how Abrante Feni Joao Pedro or Liam Delap can hold that play. And I must say, Liam Delap only said, me who starting line at Mesre Kakra. And I wasn't surprised. Liam Delap has played under Liam Rosenior at Hull City. And at Hull City, that time, no, not Obo as a right winger, so no Obo in Nano. He wasn't a striker then. Liam Rosenior was playing him as a right winger, so both of them know that he would have played it before. However, he has probably trained more as a striker for a very long time. That the requirements of some particular role last night, he didn't have what he took. He needed the ability to take players on 1v1. He couldn't do that against Piero and Capi. He needed to be able to come short, receive the ball in tight spaces. He couldn't do that as well. And not follow short. However, it was always an outlet for Robert Sanchez to go long to him. So there were times where Chelsea bears some more pressing, almost starting no more man marking. Arsenal players they beat me receive ball in tight spaces. The game became cagier. That was the game plan of Liam Rosenior. Yeah, stretchy game, no. Second half, if the game opens up, then we can call on Cole Palmer, we can call on Estevao Willian from the bench to come and do the job. And you see, me, I don't subscribe to such engineer so be a ball free flowing. I'm not part of that school of thought. At the end of the day, the game is about winning. And the game has become very economical to the extent that Obi Obeta Ibiaka said, boy, they still boy, I don't agree with you. And I remember when people were asking questions of Mikel Arteta teams of you're too defensive. I stood here and I said, at the end of the day, he has to win. And if he wins, that matters so less in the grand scheme of things. And that's why I know in the first half for Liam Rosenior, I didn't have a problem. However, I think Liam is making a small mistake, which is the time where the substitutions now. Who's the effect of the substitutions, and then the time he made the substitutions for me was where the whole game difference was. Time all day, Estevao ne Kopama Bem. It was slightly over the 68th minute mark. I think it should have been the 68th minute. Kopama Estevao. Then you give them 30 minutes to come and explode. Time Estevao will land by again. He went to go and play on the left-hand side. Very difficult for him. They switched him later on. Every time Arsenal are doubling up for him 2v1. And again, it was all the games where people will probably understand why Estevao is a player you have to manage well, especially in the English Premier League. In the Champions League, opponents, ABM with a lot of space, you can play him because of ball retention. But in places like that, you need to be very careful. Rich. Oh no, sometimes Liam Rosenior any changes, no, I have a problem with.
Rich, 60-65 days, no.
I thought it should have happened on the 60th to give them 30 solid minutes for that. Because they have to warm
5 minutes.
To warm themselves into and make us say Estevao the cowboy on the left and San was switching about right, which was very important. But Rich, see, the long and short of the whole conversation is Arsenal are just too strong, like I said earlier. Say they have to shut up shop and they say come and open them up. Only a few teams can do that.
It's good if you want to
but I'm saying several times.
We are admitting say Arsenal team now.
Chief.
It's not for the week to
I'm not part and Arsenal winning league. We've now realized that Arsenal can win the league.
Oh, come on.
Relax. I've been saying this for the other side. Kofi Arsenal for but I've been saying it for years. Almost all day. We see it's good that it's coming from me. And I'm saying that I've been saying it for a very long time.
Also share that interaction. Do you know the reason why?
What's the reason?
Some say, I don't person enjoy because open change.
Me buy now the very first thing I'll carry and say, Oshemi and Mentimianda. So I have to go. But I said this Arsenal team. Oh, Mejuman's Mechichi.
Yeah, okay.
That's how I make a living.
No, but another day, you guys, you play so well. Just that, problem with the Chelsea team, no. Set up near money.
And then Liam Rosenior, any players are available.
Players are available. One kasa start a win and pay. We don't pass off echo back. Never SG some critique.
But the game plan was
so ultimately created this SG now to it means that I'm front of a problem.
Oh, SG less than one.
No, I'm talking about a shot on target or so.
But say
no, they come back to the case and be any mistake. 14
shots, just 2 on target. So it means that they are not quality shots. And I make us say the X, is what determines how quality that chance was. So it wasn't quality. You over 14 and your quality, you won't get anything. The game plan in itself was going to stifle Chelsea of this.
Yeah, catch them to the level, no. On do Chelsea level. On no can be about 10 minutes to full time. Now the also no way good in terms of hold up. What I say, the defenders no. Has o mo kakra na dia. Barca was say ya start the game. What the lab because then
but any no Liam Rosenior catch us say any players na net bench maybe like the lap and Liam Rosenior doesn't start.
Is it going on capable?
Joe Pedro Nesta Sanka right and Sanka Pedro Neto Nebebo. Then if Kopama is there, they play in there. So
Pedro is a goes, in Jedamasa.
Joe Pedro.
Hey.
Pedro Neto.
Joe Pedro has a name again.
Joe Pedro against West Ham or against Napoli.
The goals, again and now inconsistency near those.
The player has
if you are bad, if you are Zano Sashi. Player
this season strikers yet.
Young Queen, ever can be our ones.
And it means I was means up a puppet, up as all Kamakas and Matienko, I brought them in one yard.
Hey, boss, we can't all your puppet, but
you said me,
we didn't have a puppet. Chairman,
Pedro say, Joao Pedro, this season, what's a double figures? Ono ni ekitiki ayimba wo striker ko teni bako ono so 3 goals and 1 goal obegina ha be pan e chewo bompa yeze e for body chewo for me as a Chelsea fan this was the point I felt really sad because when say Chelsea for be by the 90th minute not the plan was that okay so the game winning match we crampona yen fa 0-0 let's get a draw here. Because Chelsea in the last few games against Arsenal, it has been very, very tough. 0 Premier League wins since January 2026. 0 Premier League wins. Played 3, drawn 2, lost 1. Between July 2024 and January 2026. Between managers Pochettino, Frank Lampard, Graham Potter, Enzo Maresca, and Liam Rosenior, all of them have not gotten wins against Arsenal. So a draw probably could have been good. Which after the game, now Wesley Fofana soon. And I know a lot of people probably will not understand this. Unze Wesley Fofana and Adam Fopani William Saliba. Both of them had grown through the Saint-Etienne Academy together. To me, very good friends. There was this interview where Wesley was saying, say, so many Arsenal kobo biana. He tells William Saliba, say, under only time, he will get results better than him against Arsenal. At Saint-Etienne, they used to rate him better than William. But as it stands now, William obviously a miles ahead of him because of a lot of reasons. And it was another night where Wesley Fofana was crying. But for me and to a lot of Chelsea fans, the sun will shine again. Solid performance from Arsenal. They were the better side on the day. Okay. Defensive, offensively, everything. Arsenal for now good, and you just can't take anything away from them. There is the other leg of the EFL Cup semi-final and Bono, the Etihad, between Newcastle and its team, my friend, Manchester City. Now, Newcastle are the defending champions of the trophy, last season, they were very strong. All of me Arsenal for free, and I'm called final Kokoji. This season, the results of Newcastle has been somehow. In fact, Man City shared the first leg, and in the league as well, they have not been performing particularly too well. And I think that it may be something about affecting. Now, Utie Eddie Howe on the preparation for the game, I'll say the second goal in the first leg was a big disappointment for us, coming so late, but we still believe. We believe we have the players that can go into the stadium and the world and perform and score goals, according to Abrantia, your friend Eddie Howe, which expects so many Manchester City match now. Which Eddie is going to be very tough, especially at the Etihad, with a 2-goal advantage for Manchester City. I think it's a game where Manchester City are going to qualify. I don't know whether they win in regulation time, but it's a game me expect Manchester City are going to qualify. Finally, Barca kwa wetu abesete kwa yejuma.
2-1.
Na me problem ke 12 with Barca team no. In 2 matches, Barca have had big chances in quarter 21. They've scored just 5. And
on your chances at 21.
Big chances.
Big chances.
Big chances 21.
And almost say 5.
5 out of the big chances. And now Marcus Rashford chance of Babese or Parker. So I was wondering.
What was our solution now for my team?
Robert Lewandowski, many Juma matches for. I work for the people that listen to Nhyira Power Sports. And now Robert Lewandowski, the kind of chances of Messi and you look at even Ferran Torres same. And I was asking myself, these are Barca boys a couple of weeks ago. I was hailing them for the amount of goals that they were scoring. But it looks as if they are missing chances. The good thing for Barcelona is Ronaldo Araujo was back and he scored. Good confidence for him. Hansi Rita Fleck said he would want to build on that. Again, Lamine Yamal Ebanez Nazraoui, like I said yesterday, is picking up at the right time for team a friend football club Barcelona, and Barca will hope say Lamine performance will be good. Straight into the semi-final of the Copa del Rey. Every Barca fan will not care about the chances and now because they're in the semi-final, especially against a team upsetting Madrid for no. If they win by 2-1, then that is very good. Rich.
Good.
And now boys we need combination of almost bare 20 odds.
Right.
11 odds and 7 odds. And now, and I've said it, say, if as it stands now, you still wait there, then I don't know for you. I'll just do my job by putting it out. Because bet is no pebiano. Menfa quotes in the mauna, nyebi necha nedi. And see, H and the first code no, a BW 38C6 F887. Second code no a BW 38C6 E5E5. Third code no a BW 38C6 D761. Fourth one a BW 38C6 D341. And the last one here BW 38C6 BC6B. Mr. Nhyira, I catch you say Obon Pire no go so I for power.
See, and I'm a bobby aguso. Green. And so now be a
Can uncle senior man the enemy.
Very fine.
No predicted Saturday number.
Okay, Fifi Manfred, and now Mate Nenkano.